Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am doing a review, a look on Jaclyn Hill's Morphe eyeshadow palette in Dark Magic. This is the box it comes in. Very pretty, by the way. And then here is the palette. So, this was $18. If I'm wrong, I'm going to put it down, but I believe it was $18. I got it at Ulta, and I was looking at, there's 4 different palettes, and I chose this one because I was trying to see what look I would do, and the other palettes I kind of have similar colors, so I picked this one. This has like, I think this was also the only one that had the more neutral light color here, so I like that one. So I'm going with this palette, and yeah, we'll do like an all-day wear test and see how well it works, see how well it is. It comes with a nice little mirror. So let's get into this. Okay, I have the rest of my makeup on. Okay, so I am going to start with that that light neutral color. It's called Poof, P-O-O-F. I think I'm going to use the mirror actually, so it's nice and close up. Not too much fallout. Do that all around. Actually, I don't want my camera focusing on that, so I'm going to leave the mirror down. Okay, nice clean palette. And I am now going to go into the middle color. It's just like a brown. It's called That's what it's called, S-H-H-H. Using it as a transitional. Now it's just like a typical brown. Like that's brown. Which is nice because sometimes the colors don't come out the same as on your eye as they look in the palette, but this definitely is. My hair. Just putting the hair back for a second. There's actually some nice fall colors, and since sadly fall is right around the corner, I thought I would do a little look. School's starting soon, etc., etc. Okay, it's looking more, I'm gonna go into that green color, Potion. It's a lot more green all of a sudden to me, but I'm gonna do it because I rarely do green. So I saw that green and I really wanted to, that's why I picked this palette, because I figured there's a color I never use. Putting that in the edge of my eye. Definitely buildable. I don't really have a light color for here though. I might go back with that Poof color. They do have some shimmers, but maybe I'll put a little shimmer. They're blending really nice. I mean, the colors look a little dull to me, but it's the colors I chose, so. Go back in and blend that out with this. So I kind of want to brighten it just a little maybe? I don't know. They're dark colors, a little dull. But definitely the color that is in the palette is on your eye. These are dark shimmers. Oh, I could use this one. Okay, I think I'll use that one. The Power Cut. I don't want to go too crazy because it's not like nighttime. So, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to put some more of the light color on my lid, the poof. I guess I could do it with concealer first, but or foundation. People do that with the cut crease, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I like that better. So now let me put some of that Power Cut in. It's like a silver gray. This is definitely a darker look that I usually do, than I would usually do. I'm just gonna put that in the center. Probably have to wet that, but I don't want to wet it because I don't want to put too much on. Yeah, like it's not coming off that great. Okay, let me take my hair down. Put a color on the bottom. First I'm going to go back in with the brown color. These are all dark colors, so maybe I'll do another look with a different color. I don't know. I don't usually do smoky looks, so I guess if you really like smoky look eyes, you would enjoy this palette a little more than I might be right now. Put the poof up here too. Let me finish my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and this is the final look. When I was finishing my eyes up, I just went in just a little more with that green because I felt like it wasn't showing as much, but because I probably didn't put enough on, and I put just a little more green there. You know, when they talk about formula, this is a good formula. It blended very well. It looks great on. I think for me personally, I probably would have liked one of the other palettes better because they're more my colors. But I just have so many, like you don't want to buy the same thing over and over, right? So I wanted to be different. And I think, and because it was the only one that had the light colors, so that's why I grabbed this. But the other colors would probably be something that I would like better. But you know, it's okay, you want to change up your palettes. This, it looks nice. It does look nice. It's different, but I like it. I really do like it. It's more darker, but it's pretty. I like it. So let me go about my day and we'll see how long this lasted, and I'll catch up with you later. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 5 hours now, and my eyeshadow still looks good. Like it did not crease at all. I have to say, like it really didn't at all. It didn't come off at all. It actually still looks really good. I mean, I've had it on all day and definitely stayed on very nice. Again, maybe the colors just aren't my favorite, but otherwise, I'm gonna play with it some more. Yeah, like I wish the green was a little more greener on my eyes, but yeah, I'll play with it some more and try some other colors and other looks and see what I come up with. So yeah, this was a nice palette. I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna try the other colors because the other palettes had like rust more, and I have a lot of, that's more of what I prefer, but I have a lot of colors like that, so that's why I went with this palette, because it's different. It really is different. So I'm gonna work with it more, do some other colors, and yeah, I'll let you know on some other videos how that went for me. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a thumbs up, and till next time, catch you later.